wonderful people. I salute you. I greet you. This color, no. The color is not nice. I'm not feeling this contrast. How's the color, my people? Yeah, welcome. How are we doing this wonderful evening? Please hit the like button and share the video as you are joining, and invite all of our friends. Somebody please help me tag Livestone. So please help me tag Livestone. Not this kind of video I dey like. Making that around at least. I don't know where he is on the program right now. It's mostly on TikTok. As I gathered. CJ. Is this my own CJ? My opposite neighbor? Each of the CJs, I get many CJs here. Barnabas and Tortif. Now you can't answer on a king name now. I be the Tortif now. Hey, no let TV people catch you. No trial. Vanessa Bass, how are you there? Sweet lady, how are you? Aminu, Mohammed, Adi. Say no be never. I can see Clark Ayaz. So my people, hopefully, somebody please help me tag any chimers there. It's like I'm seeing that chin in your somewhere there. This is what we were known for on social media before all these criminals crossed paths with us, and we've taught them a bitter lesson. Yeso Gerugumbo. How are you? My people, I can see Halona. I can see Halona somewhere inside there. We shall see. So my people, as I told you, we are going to be, Joy Bella longest time, we are going to be discussing geopolitics. And I know some people must have been making videos on it the while I was away. But I can tell you what you are going to hear is an angle like you've never heard, except you are listening to people that actually know what's going on over there. I don't know how many of you remembered in 2017 when I listed many platforms. Most of those platforms don't exist on the popular social media again, like the Corbett Report, the Last American Vagabond, Press for Truth. So many of them. Those accounts and channels don't exist anymore for the obvious reason. And if you remember, it's since 2017 that when I want to talk about these people that own this thing, these people, I hardly mention their name. Remember when I used to call them the J people? And I've explained what that J means. If you ask an average Westerner or an average person that is following this news to explain it, sometimes they will tell you it's religion. Sometimes they will tell you it's a race or a tribe, but it's not. It's all of that and none of the above. But I want to start from this current issue that is causing this problem in the world. And you will tie it back to what is happening in Russia. it has a huge link there. Most people don't know that these Ashkenazi J people or Khazarian Jews that are in the place you call Israel today, I mean the Europeans that are claiming a land in the Middle East, because that's what it is. If anybody wants to argue on their origin and how they started practicing J religion, I'm open for that argument. But I want to start with this present piece of land that they are fighting for now. We'll have to go back to the end of the 19th century. Let's start from around 1890, let's say 1885. By then, Cecil Rhodes, Walter Rothschild, Alfred Milner have formed their round table group. That round table group they formed that time, is the precursor to what later became the what do you call the USA CFR? This place, the Chatham House. Meanwhile, in that roundtable group, you have the Society of Elect and the Council of Helpers. The Society of the Elect are the people that make the actual decision, the 0.1% of the 0.1%. Then you have the Council of Helpers. It is from that Council of Helpers that you have people that now run the Chatham House. And the Chatham House runs the foreign policy of the British government. It's still the British monarchy running everything today. Forget the parliament. They are telling you once again, the king of United Kingdom, of the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland, can dissolve parliament this evening. This evening, they can announce the news and they will dissolve the parliament. So when they are telling you they brought you democracy, they did what? They are still practicing monarchy. Their monarchy is still strong. Any single MP in the UK must take an oath in the name of the king or the queen, depending who is on the throne. You understand? Yeah. So those people that run their foreign policy, that is the Foreign Office, always pass through the Council of the Chatham House. And that Chatham House, it doesn't matter if the government is conservative or Labour. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's conservative or Labour government. Must, they will follow whatever those people do. And these are the people that actually dictated the policies of the British Empire at the time, when it was empire, although it morphed into something else. The same people that ran the British Empire are the same people that are running the Pax Americana, that is fleeting away now. Okay? But during the end of the Ottoman Empire, they started preparing on how to divide all the Ottoman territory, especially from the place we call the Arab world and the Middle East of today. By then, from about 65% of what you know as Saudi Arabia of today, all the way back west to the Balkans, Bosnia of today, even to the Black Sea with Russia. There was a time they were controlling Crimea. Go and read the history of the Crimean War. All these things, all these series of wars that have taken place in Europe, because these people have been fighting for thousands of years, non-stop, non-stop. There is no time in the last 2,000 years you didn't have wars in Europe, anywhere in Europe. If they are not fighting it on their soil, they are taking it to someone's land. And all these things are tied together that brought us to where in the world today. Are you understanding me? And the two remaining powers then, by then the USA has taken most of the Spanish territories. Spain as a power had been gone. The Dutch gone long ago, starting from the Swedes. Sweden, their worst mistake was ever invading the Russian Empire, Poltava 1709. That Poltava that is in Ukraine of today, yes, Russia was fighting against the Swedish king there. It was even when they fought the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, all those places, you see. They were and these J people contributed somehow. You see, Ivan, they call Ivan the Terrible. Why? Because of what he did to these Eastern European J people that later founded this country. They will tell you what Ivan did, Emperor Ivan did to them, but they won't tell you what they did to the Christians, Orthodox Christians, even with the support of the Roman Church. Yes, the Church of Rome, the Pope, all of them supported it because they rust. I know one call and finish. Somebody help me write them. That banking family that you are not allowed to mention, in case you don't know, I know where made they chop this account to. You understand? You don't take away they don't the bank for different kingdoms, including the Holy Roman Empire. Till date, they are still the private bankers of the Pope. Meanwhile, Jay and these people are supposed to be fighting each other. Meanwhile, at the top, then they do business. That's by the way. Including any business where you like, money laundering, full prostitution ringo, blackmail ringo, all of them, I tell you. You don't understand me, right? So that part. But by then, all those other kingdoms, the Dutch, all these people don't go finish. Now, only the French and the British empires be the strong European power. And they agreed not to ever let the Germans rise. It's the Germans that toppled the Western Roman Empire. The Western Roman Empire didn't fall when they told you it fell. You see, that Battle of Teutoburg, that was where it happened, 9th century. That was when they realized that they need red and Pekin. Blessed of you call away. Now Rothschild with the talk, blessed of call away. Red and Pekin, Roth, na red in German. And now when they go Germany, they change the name. No being be their main name. From Kazaria, where they're from. Them and the Schiff family. Now like this. This Rockefeller and this way they see they do business reach today. You don't tell where they don't link. But that's by the way. So after when it become only these two empires, they decided that they would divide the Middle East. And inside that Middle East, they say Britain, the British Empire, that is the Sykes-Picot Agreement. How many people even go do the research where I talk about Sykes-Picot? Now we want to start the program. It started with the Sykes-Picot Agreement where they sign. And this agreement where they sign at the height of, in the middle of World War I, but they know how it go end. By then, they prepare, they position themselves. They position themselves very well. And what did they tell you cause World War I? The buying of Archduke Ferdinand, Abi, but not lie. There had been mobilization everywhere. And waiting caused that mobilization now because Germany come unite. The Iron Chancellor united, after Germany united, they started advancing technologically more than the British and the Americans. And these people don't want them to take control of everything. Then, as steam engine they come, German universities, German engineers were advancing like this. Then, a German geologist discovered oil in Basra, Iraq. Now, where they buy Archduke Ferdinand, Austro-Hungarian, this thing, Sarajevo, Bosnia today. Check where Sarajevo dey for map. Check where Basra, southern Iraq. Now, these people discover, but as they say now, this spying start the war. British troops don't go invade Basra, go take over the oil. You understand? So now that, because Germany won't come, they build railroad. Berlin Baghdad railroad, go check them. Check how many troops they reached, wasted, just to destroy those rail lines, rail tracks. Yes. Go, I didn't say go and read about the First World War. I say go and study it. Read both sides. No, they follow one corner. And it should be like this in every case. Choki Mabe, send the narcissism. You understand? It was that thing. Then, when, at that land, now Ottoman territory at that time, now Turkish people, Ottoman, the Osmanli, children of Osman, their kingdom lasted more than bigger than any kingdom in Europe that you heard about. Yes. It was then that France, the French foreign minister then, Francois Picot, you know how they write their Francois, F-R-A-N-C-O-I-S-E. Now so then they write and Francois. I know how they Francois Picot. Picot na P-I-C-O-T. They know they call the T. Then Mark Sykes was the then British foreign minister. Please, somebody be typing these names as I they call them, they type them for them. And if you don't check anything with any spare device you get, put them for comment section. Okay? Thank you so much, my sister Don Lady G. Cow. Thank you for confirming it. Robert Sykes, Mark Sykes, and this guy met. This one was representing the French monarchy. The other one was representing the British monarchy. So anything this person is saying is the view of the British monarch. This one, view of the French monarch. That is the kings and the aristocrats with whom they govern. 1916, when war done the end. Britain was to take the place you call Iraq today. And Persia, which is Iran of today. Persia was not part of the Ottoman Empire, but Iraq was. When you hear Baghdad, it's not just the capital. Everywhere you call Iraq. Today, that time they call it Mesopotamia. They still call it Mesopotamia. For you that are saying, oh, you saw Mesopotamia in the Bible, it has been before they invented the Bible. Now the Romans give them the name. Okay? You understand? Now them give them the name. Then the French would take Syria, Lebanon. Britain will also take Jordan. Then the rising empire, America, they gave them the place you call Saudi Arabia today, is the whole of Arabia, and it includes Happy Arabia, which is Yemen. That's the name the Romans called Yemenis. Happy Arabia, nobody conquered. You see that Red Sea that America were saying, oh, we are going to send our aircraft carrier. Made it, all of them, when they said that, they never carry on. Those people have never been conquered. I am telling you. And Britain will also take the mandate of Palestine. That time it was called Transjordan. Then when they did that thing, Britain put a king in Iraq. The Iraq is later by him. Put a king in Saudi Arabia, the place you call Saudi Arabia today. Al Saud, as the warrior is, rose, pursued that one, sent him away. It is the Hashemites. They put the Hashemite people. Saudi was Hashemite kingdom then. Iraq was Hashemite kingdom then. Jordan was Hashemite kingdom then. Of all of those places, only Jordan remains a Hashemite kingdom. Now you know why they are shooting down everything that Iran was saying to us is easy. You don't understand that now. And when they say, oh, the king of Jordan, he is behaving like a Western puppet. Now them putting grandfather there. Now from there, they don't reach here. So they have no choice. They have no choice. It's even easier for Saudi people to free themselves than Jordan. Jordan no be real country. Lebanon. Now the French see they control and today. Now why Beirut is still known as Petit Paris, Little Paris. Then the British people, that mandate of Palestine that they took, that mandate of Palestine they took, they now gave it to their business associates through the Balfour Declaration. Please, anybody that is listening to me now with an extra device, check Balfour Declaration. By then, 1917, November 1917. I think it was November 4th, 1917. The document, you can find every document where they mention now. If I don't agree, I don't accept Wikipedia as source, but even that fake news merchant manipulated information will still show you this document because it's undeniable. Why they call it Balfour Declaration is this. The then British foreign minister then was Arthur Balfour. And if I give you the history of the family of that Arthur Balfour and how they are connected with Aleister Crowley, if you are deep into occultism, you will know who Aleister Crowley is. You understand? But that is a story for another day. Then, let me even get it and read it for you. Because it also served as the basis for World War II. You understand? Our own ancestors go fight World War I, no, as they share this thing, nobody shared the men give us, so they didn't even talk about giving you independence. Anyway, they confess. Balfour Declaration. Okay. Here's the document. Here's the document, Balfour Declaration. You see, Balfour Declaration. Let me read it for you. Foreign Office, November 2nd, 1917. Dear Lord Rothschild. Who? Lord Rothschild. I'm coming. I have much pleasure in conveying to you, on behalf of His Majesty's government, the following declaration of sympathy with Jewish Zionist aspirations, which has been submitted to and approved by the cabinet. His Majesty's government view with favor the establishment in Palestine. That time there was no country like Israel. Are you understanding me? A national home for the Jewish people, and we use their best endeavors to facilitate the achievement of this object. It being clearly understood that nothing shall be done which may prejudice the civil and religious rights of existing non-Jewish communities in Palestine, or the rights and political status enjoyed by Jews in any other country. I should be grateful if you will bring this declaration to the knowledge of the Zionist Federation. Are you understanding it now? So when they say it's a promised land, promised by who? See who promised Amo. And the king now send the foreign minister to write to Lord Rothschild. Who will be where the king go write them? Now let me tell you who they are. They took over the Bank of England after Britain defeated Napoleon. How did you defeat Napoleon and lost control of the issuance of your currency? How did you even win the war? Napoleon, funded by the Ross people. You, funded by the Ross people. At the end of the war, their right that first come, according to the popular history, bring fake news, say Napoleon don't win Wellington for Waterloo. Before the king rider go come, give them the real news, which is that they've defeated. Nobody should call my number now, beg bro. Please let me finish the interview. That they've defeated Napoleon at Waterloo. By then, he had told his people, his stockbrokers, to start selling the king stock. Now, you, where they finance today, Oh, one man went to more. Later, my brother, inbox me on my page. I will respond to you later, please. Where did I stop? I don't know for this thing. Now, please, my people, want to know distract me. I know who this thing. So, you check today. I know they read this thing from anywhere. All this in a year again. So, if I miss my chain of thought, leave me, I will come back. You now, wait there for finance. You see, say, BlackRock, they dump Bank of America stock. We be saying that them get majority of the Bank of America share. My brother, write me on this page. Now send me your number. I will text you via WhatsApp. You understand? Bank of America stock now. You see BlackRock, they dump them. You know go dump them. So see the coup. The Feds, as America, the people where they print American dollar, you know say no be American government to get their dollar. Begin they dump their stock. You go dump your own now. Now imagine where they use plan. They dump stock. The whole stock gone, they fall 10 kobo on $1. Then they from back go buy them all. Because they don't give you one fake news, say this disaster they come. Now the disaster no come. You don't sell your stock. Now you get everything. Now so they take controlled majority share of Bank of England. You see this London Stock Exchange where they see now individual get them. Bank of International Settlement, no be country get them na private corporation. They no burn you well, arrest anybody where they work there. Are you understanding the world we are living in now? Are you understanding the world we are living in? Is it beginning to unravel before your eyes? Are you getting me now? So, since they own the king, why the king no go ride them? Just type Lord Jacob Rothschild Balfour Declaration document, you will see him where CNN people were interviewing. He brought this paper full, so this is not conspiracy theory. I think it's either CNN or ABC. Type it on YouTube now, you will see it. The document. Now their family, they write them to. Now waiting call anger Germans, in case you don't know. This hatred against J people for Germany, where happened that time? Why was it so easy? Now this thing. And if you come Berlin, that time Berlin was the heart of prostitution in the whole of Europe. Amsterdam no see road. Mama and Pekin, they do tag team sex work. Yes, men too. This LGBT waiting you see now from Germany, now them start there. From Hamburg. Now after that mustache man, Ado, Uncle Dodo, you know why they talk. That one they know they even mention his name. Adolfi, Hitty. The leader of Germany from 1930, I think was 33, came to power to 1945. Yes. Now him, when he pursued them, they go US, go start them for America. Now him be these same people. We start them for, waiting be this Ivy League, name of this Ivy League for America, and there they go. Now so it take enter America and these same people. And when the Germans come see how British and these people take partition the Ottoman Empire, and they come see say you now we them even target. And the people will help bring America in. Saudi Arabia are one of the settlements for bringing America into the war, in case you don't know. Yes. You see the king of Saudi? That day where you go sign that thing for Cairo, for that naval ship where he did. You know how many American naval ship vessels were there? You think that was an agreement? Oga, they had no choice. Try make you no sign up. Try make you no sign up. Now why shell or whatever? Now, to placate Arabs, waiting they tell them, say, oh, American flag no go ever touch their soil. And they go put them on top something, make you no enter the ground, waiting that one day. Even if you took them 10,000 D into the ground and you still get control of your country, you don't mean anything. Say, maybe they put them on top something, but they see the control Aramco, where they see like this. Why shall they run up? Waiting be their problem with Iran. Iran chase their own commot. They chase the king. The Shah where they put there commot. Mossadegh came into power and nationalized Iran oil. So all these things where they see where they happen, you get economic on that tone. In fact, now be the foundation. Now, you get agreement. Now let's skip so many things that happened. Even the Russian Civil War, or whatever, or the Bolshevik revolution, the Menshevik, after all, before this one's Bolshevik can't take credit. And what happened between Lenin, Trotsky, before my man, Joseph Stalin, I don't say me a Stalinist. So in case if I'm saying anything, it seems I'm defending Joseph Stalin. Sorry, I did defend Stalin till tomorrow. I become Stalinist from secondary school days. But that one a story for another day. Till when the Germans, do you know that the NAZI people were on they talk, sign agreement with European J people? Go check, go do the naval agreement or the transfer agreement. They even get commemorative coin. Ordinarily, nothing supposed concern the swastika and this thing. But they even get coin where we say the swastika and this thing they together for them. You know what make I show you? Use your hand with the Saturn there. They made a commemorative coin to ship Eastern Europe and force them to go to Palestine. But then, after they signed that Balfour Declaration, British public no agree. Because Arabs them too no agree. One thing about teaching people to be revolutionaries is that sometimes it even consume you than send them. What Lawrence of Arabia did, that one another whole story. Lawrence of Arabia, ba? Major Lawrence, that later known as Lawrence of Arabia, forget that movie you watched. It's a story for another day. We no go if we begin talk this thing. Then small time, they begin they enter Palestine. These people welcome them. In fact, they even had to sign an agreement that you abide by the law of Palestinian people. Blessed them had made me and one. Now so they begin, they come small. Next thing, the terrorists from their place come begin they come in. You see the IDF where you see today, make I give you their foundation. Now 3 terror groups. Haganah, number 1, formed by Ben-Gurion, their very first prime minister. Okay? You understand? Then, Irgun, I think Irgun was Isaac Shamil. Haganah are the people who carry out the first terror bombing, car bombing, suicide bombing, susu bombing in the whole world. King David Hotel, by British staff, government, civil servants, and soldiers. Till today, nobody do pen. That them write the news, no me write am o. You go see Jewish terrorists attack King David Hotel. Na Ben-Gurion and the people. Then Irgun come up say Haganah no even dey terror enough. As if that one no reach. Lehi or Lehi, Lehi, the Stone Gang start their own. And all of these people get base, they get their own people for America where they supply them weapons, including LBJ, the former American president. You see this Jeffrey Epstein, where everybody they shout Epstein now, where they don't know when we don't cover them. The father of that in girlfriend, Gillian Maxwell, Robert Maxwell, no be rename. Then they change name every time. You follow, they send the weapons there. The whole J mafia people you see for America those days. Why do you think Lucky Luciano, every Hollywood movie, now him be the most evil person where they put all every attention there on him, but nobody talks about Maya Lansky. Nobody talked about Maya Lansky. Now be the father of J Mafia, and the J Mafia and then be the real American Mafia. Italians are the ones where they do the dirty job. Even before Lansky, now no drove saying. Yes. Cuba. Lansky, mathematician, brain, calculation, 1 million. Of all the things we do, he no spend time for J. He must come out. You don't understand me? Luciano na just Luciano, the letter stay by him now for Italo, they still buy him for Italo. Lansky, you know how many things they try to put on his head. Which people scatter Chicago? It is saying only Al Capone. No, Al Capone, they no born and well. No be Lansky them order him take out. Yes, Al Capone was just like Shaw's. Was a muscle. Yes. You get the one where they wear camel coats, Morris, the morning shade. If you want to know the true history, go check the main people where they accuse for the killing of JFK. You want go open them on a nuclear power plant, nuclear plant. After they don't thief the technology from Los Alamos, go be down. JFK once say made them go open and want do nonsense. Make a pack. That time they ever they answer a pack, may they call registers for the lobby. Then you can't go Texas, you can't go Dallas. For Texas, which people they run Dallas. The cowboys where they see no be the same people for the same white shoes of New York. Where take because of oil come back to come Dallas. The bushes where now they talk. Now Connecticut, all these ones from maybe they know from any Texas. All those south where they now you carry them go there. And all of them get one master, now those J people. So my people, I think we'll go hold on for a year now. Remember where we stop. Make we do this one now just part one. We go to take them slowly. After next time we go there announce them. Do you people want it as morning video or night video? Because you know, say night, many people know they join. This kind of geopolitical program, afternoon people they always join. Unless I they do it for YouTube and I there get millions of my followers who know me for geopolitics. Okay. Now where we don't do them, watch whom we would know nothing about geopolitics. They will sit down, learn this one, then start cutting it. They making their own videos, claiming to be smart. No be now here and now they can't be the copy all those things where you use they confuse them. Immediately I stop to the do them, make it talk again. Now no be that time increase volume. So for those of you where they shocked, now this thing be our own program before. Okay? Now this thing be our own program. Now this thing they take notes. Until Umuoko go and challenge their father, we still don't go beat them for their own game too. Are you understanding me now? So some of on our way there, and please, whatever you are learning from here, I'm not telling you to go and be supporting anyone. It's just for you to be aware of what is going on at the foundation. I know say make you go fight person. Israel, Palestine, all of them they that side. We get our own Wahala here. So this one now, since they waiting no concern us, they don't carry and come meet us. We'll go tell them say we even know. Okay? We know them too. Make you no be like say they want wind themselves. No go they use them, they prove they will person me. Like I always tell you people, I no go ever ask you which religion you be. Anything way you like, they worship am more. But waiting I no go take and make you come they wine me say you don't see with God. Or say God will choose you. That God choose you in your own book. What if I don't believe in your own book? You don't understand them now. Okay. You do still be my brother. So my wonderful people, I will have to keep you. I've not eaten any good food since morning. The only corn I don't chop. And garden tomatoes, so I want to do salad self, those day fridge. I don't even food full. But to chop now and I want. Please continue with our 100 days healthy living. Okay? I hope you've learned about the aloe vera and all those things. Once you are living a healthy life, you are not afraid of buying. If accidents happens, let's know it's an accident, but you know go say just anything from anywhere. We'll just catch you. Alright? Omo Bembela. Omo F.A. Bembela Nebe. No, they no go come. Even some of them will go there and now them go there. Say make them they learn. We are the one learn this one. Show me any plane in Nigeria. I want to see the person. Yeah. I want to know the person. Show me any Nigerian who don't give you this guys. Like they give you the line. Ide. Yeah, no be mouth, no be by making noise, doing yeah, 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 yeah. Let them come, we'll teach them. They just need to ask. And ask nicely. Okay? You ask nicely. Bow to superior intelligence, then you learn. They go gree, mokoko. Now then one come tell me, say, what you don't know is bigger than you. What is that thing that I don't know in politics? That is don't know. That one needs skills your person will no one give you answer. Up you body, then explain yourself. Explain it. Let me not understand it. Uh-huh. You no go understand. Talk and first now. My people, thank you so much and have a wonderful night rest.